एबिलिटी ऑफ डूइंग वर्क मीन्स वो एक क्षमता है, जो हम काम करते हैं उसको करने की एक क्षमता होती है, उसको एनर्जी बोलते हैं। जैसे कि हम लोग साइकिल चला रहे हैं तो उसमें क्या हो रहा है, वर्क भी हो रहा है और साथ साथ हमारी एनर्जी भी लग रही है। तो और एनर्जी का एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी है और उसका एसआई यूनिट है जूल्स। और एनर्जी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होती है और एक काइनेटिक एनर्जी होती है। काइनेटिक एनर्जी वो होती है जब कोई बॉडी में मोशन होता है, जैसे कि कोई एक बर्ड फ्लाई कर रही है तो वो क्या कर रही है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी परफॉर्म कर रही है, और वो उसी समय एक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी भी परफॉर्म करती है। जैसे कि कोई बर्ड उड़ रही है और वो कहीं जाके रुक जा रही है, तो वो जब स्टॉप हो रही है और अपनी एक रेस्ट पोजीशन में आ जा रही है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। और ऐसे ही साउंड एनर्जी होता है, साउंड एनर्जी होता है, और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एनर्जी होता है, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी होता है। और
व्हाट इज मैकेनिकल एनर्जी डियर?
मैकेनिकल एनर्जी जैसे कि कोई फैन वर्क कर रहा है और वो जैसे हवा दे रहा है और वो फैन के थ्रू हमें हवा आ रही है तो उसको हम मैकेनिकल।
Which energy is converted in which energy? In the example of fan.
मैकेनिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल एनर्जी।
You are saying wrong, dear.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी।
That is electrical energy, not electronic.
इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी
Converted into
मैकेनिकल एनर्जी।
in solar system. Which energy is converted in which energy?
मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मैकेनिकल।
In solar system, dear. You know those solar system? Windmill. You know about windmill? Who will tell about windmill? In windmill, which energy is converted in which energy? Who will tell? Say loudly, Sudhanshu.
Sir, the kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy.
How kinetic energy?
Sir, the air flows, that is our kinetic energy. Then the windmill get start working.
Okay. What is the formula for kinetic energy?
काइनेटिक एनर्जी हाफ mv स्क्वायर।
What is V?
v इज वेलोसिटी।
What is M?
मास।
What is mass?
मास जैसे कि एक बॉटल है, उसके अंदर पानी है, तो उसके अंदर के जो पानी है उसको हम उसके अंदर की जो है उसको मास कहेंगे।
Who will tell what is mass? Say loudly.
सर, जो एक कोई मैटर है उसके अंदर का जितना कैपेसिटी है, मतलब कैपेसिटी मतलब मैटर है उसके अंदर का नहीं
Devanshi,
Yes, sir.
what is mass?
Sir, the total weight of any something. Or the
Weight and mass are both are same.
No, sir, they both are different.
Then how we will say the total weight is mass?
सर, द जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसकी जो मतलब मैटर है उसकी जो क्वांटिटी होगी उसको हम मास बोलेंगे, उसके अंदर जितनी क्वांटिटी है उसको मास बोलेंगे।
Quantity of particles is called mass. Okay. What is potential energy?
When a body is in rest position.
Always.
Simple. No sir. जैसे कि हम
Another definition of potential energy. Another definition, potential energy. Who will tell?
Sir, the energy required by any object to change its shape or get into any distance, that energy is known as potential energy.
Okay. Shape and size अगर change होता है, that energy is also called potential energy. Write down the formula for kinetic energy. Devanshi, come and prove this formula. Explain भी करना है.
Now the formula for work done is force into displacement. Now let us assume a situation where the initial velocity of a body is v, the final velocity is capital V, the acceleration is equals to a, and
Final velocity you are saying capital V and you are writing small v.
so this is capital V.
This is capital V. A small v and capital V, no difference between them.
Yes, sir. Now, according to the third law of motion, the third law of motion states that v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Now, as we have taken the initial velocity as small v, we will be writing this as v square is equals to v square plus 2as. Now, as we have supposed an example that if a body is coming to a rest position, so its final velocity will be turning out to be 0 as it is coming to rest after motion, and its initial velocity will have some value which will be u only, and the final acceleration will be denoted as minus a. So this will change out to be v square is equals to v square minus 2as. Now v square is equals to, as this value is 0, I will be putting here 0 minus 2as. Now here v is equals to minus 2as. Now as we know that force is equals
You are doing wrong, dear. You are confused between v and v. As I told you already, give the difference between them. Otherwise, you will confuse and you are putting the value wrong. You are assuming final velocity is equal to 0 and you are putting initial velocity is equal to 0. Check out. You have assumed final velocity is equal to 0
Yes, sir.
and you are putting in the formula initial velocity is equal to 0. So you are wrong, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Start.
So here I have put the value of v, that is equals to 0 is equals to v square minus 2as. Now v square is equals to 2as. Now as we know that force is equals to mass into acceleration, so acceleration is equals to force upon mass. Now I will put this value of a in this equation. So v square is equals to 2 into f upon m into s. So
Yes, dear, you are getting your answer.
yes, sir.
Transpose m and 2.
Now 2 into f
Your-
into s is equals to v square into m,
Yes.
and then
Again transpose
force
2.
into s is equals to v square into f into upon 2. So force into the f into s is equals to work done. So work done is equals to half mv square.
You have to prove kinetic energy is equal to half mv square and you
Yes,
have
sir, sorry,
proved.
sir.
What will do next?
Sir, now here the kinetic energy will be equal to work done. So hence the formula of kinetic energy will be equal to half mv square.
Why kinetic energy is equal to work done?
Sir, because the body is displacing due to kinetic energy, that is due to work done, that is why the value of kinetic energy will be half.
What is energy?
Sir, the energy is the ability to do work.
That is the definition.
Yes, sir.
Now use this definition in this line. Now say why kinetic energy is equal to work done.
Sir, because according to the statement that energy is the ability to do work, so here the value of work done is half mv square, so the value of kinetic energy will also be equal to half mv square.
Very good, dear. Clap for her.